Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Melissa here from vicrez.com. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I want to show you guys one of the wheel styles that you can find on our website. In front of me here is the Rohana RFX11, which features a split 5-spoke design. This one is in gloss black, but these wheels do come in two other finishes for you: brushed titanium and brushed bronze. The RFX11 is a rotary forged aluminum wheel, meaning that the wheel has only one strong, durable, lightweight piece. Sizes available on vicrez.com are from 19 by 8.5 all the way up to 22 by 11.5 and is offered in multiple bolt patterns. I recommend these classic wheels if you're simply going for a clean looking street performance build. These wheels will be linked below. To see more available wheel options and many other automotive parts for your vehicle, head on over to vicrez.com. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you drop a like down below, hit the subscribe button, and head on over to our website, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and subscribe to our newsletter for deals and discounts in your email inbox. Thanks for watching. See you next time.